Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you what the fundamentals of the course are going to be and how this course is different from other courses. So, next slide. Everything we do is going to have twice the output per input. So if we watch a 10-minute video, there should be 20 minutes of output. So the video is input. The information is coming into you from outside. Output is reverse. It's coming from you to outside. And the reason that matters is because of depth, because it makes the difference in your learning. So it's no good learning something, going to class, whatever method, if you can't later somebody ask you a question and you be able to answer it based on what you took in. And the reason for that is because there's not enough output. Output lets you know if you actually know it, right? It lets you know, I know it well enough to explain it. I know it well enough to do it. And we're taught in school that it's all about going to class. It's not about going to class. It's about your ability to teach it, your ability to do it. That's what it's all about. And that's why boot camps have their place. If you want an overview of how things work together, a boot camp can be useful. But I've done boot camps, and I can't do anything I learned because it was so shallow. And it's like saying that you can swim in the shallow end of the pool, but if they throw you into the deep end, you sink to the bottom like a rock. You can't swim, right? There's no way. That's not swimming if you sink. And the reason for that is because there's no depth in your training, in your learning. So what is output? Output is a test, a quiz, and I'm choosing to call that a challenge. Because if you go through a video and you don't know how to answer a question, you've learned nothing. It's been a waste of time. So what are ways that you can output that aren't quizzes and tests? I encourage you to record your explanation of what we cover. So select from where. What does that mean to you? How do you understand it? Someone asks you, what is the select statement? What does it do? Now, how would you answer that question? I would say the select tells you the column. But that's simple explanation, but if you have a way that makes sense to you, so instead of saying verbally the select statement is a column, you can draw a spreadsheet and literally highlight like a vertical column and say that this is the select statement. And you can draw that. And that is also a way to output. You're drawing. You can make flashcards of technical definitions. You can post it to social media, which I encourage you to do. And all these ways are output. Right? You're taking information that you know or don't know, and that's the crucial point. If you don't know it, you can't output it. So you need to test yourself along each and every one of these videos, whether you know it or not. And if you don't know it, it's fantastic because you can stop, go back, and learn it, and then output it. Output is the point. The point is not to finish the course. The point is what you output. That's the whole point. And it better you do a quarter of the course and you output that quarter. But if you do the whole course and you can't output anything, I'd rather have the guy who output, only a quarter. He's stronger. So I definitely encourage you to take that attitude. This is all about the output. 100%. It's about what comes out of you after you've taken in some information. And it is completely different from a boot camp. It is completely different than a class. Because this is all about you and what you understand. And, that's the way that we're going to take this course. 100% about the output, not about me preaching to you what you get out of it.